the hero to me. It's you that I'm thinking of. As I read your lines that we were so sweet, I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, every day. As ever would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat as I look of you, and I remember our faded love. I think of the past and always pleasures we had as I watch the mating of the dawn. It was in the springtime that you said goodbye. I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, more and more every day. As ever would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat as I think of you and remember our faded love. As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I